Think you've tasted chicken at its best? Wait until you try these 4 marinades that take ordinary chicken to extraordinary. And stick around until the end. The last one is the most gourmet of them all. We're starting simple and easy. You'll need za'atar spice blend, smoked paprika, juice of a fresh lemon, about 2 cloves of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper. To make the marinade, just whisk everything together in a bowl. Then pour it over your chicken. I'm using about 1 pound of chicken breast here, but if you prefer juicy, crispy results, chicken thighs with the skin on are a great substitute. Za'atar is a Palestinian spice blend made with herbs, sesame, and sumac. It's herby, tangy, and packed with antioxidants. In fact, it's even known to help with relaxation and restful sleep, which makes it a perfect evening meal. Seal your chicken up in a glass dish or a Ziploc bag. Let the flavors soak in, and your za'atar and paprika chicken is ready to cook whenever you are. You can freeze these marinades for up to 3 months or 7 days in the fridge. I then served my chicken with my lentil orzo salad and lemon dressing. Next up, pomegranate and walnut chicken marinade. You'll need pomegranate molasses that you can buy from Persian stores, walnuts, lime juice, fresh mint, half of a yellow onion, about 2 cloves of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and of course salt and pepper. Blend everything together in a food processor or a blender until it's smooth, and you'll have a rich, tangy marinade that clings beautifully to your chicken. This recipe always takes me back to the family trips in the northern region of Iran, where little roadside restaurants would serve sour kebabs. Juicy, tangy, and often paired with garlic, olives, and heaps of fresh herbs. The flavor was unforgettable, deep, sour, a little sweet, and earthy all at once. It's the kind of taste that stays with you, even years later. That's why this marinade is so special to me. It's like bringing a piece of those trips back into my everyday kitchen. For the fullest, woody, nutty flavor, grilling your chicken over charcoal is ideal. The smoke really brings the walnuts and pomegranate molasses to life. But if you're like me and live in an apartment, you don't have to miss out. Oven roasting or using a grill pan still gives you beautiful results with tender chicken and that same tangy richness. Now, tahini and sumac. You'll need tahini or sesame paste, some sumac, fresh cilantro, Greek yogurt, lemon juice plus the zest, extra virgin olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, and salt and pepper. This marinade brings sesame and citrus together in a way that feels refreshing yet comforting. If you've never cooked with tahini before, it's simply sesame seeds blended into a paste, and it's a powerhouse ingredient. It's best known as a key ingredient in classics like hummus and baba ganoush. But behind its nutty flavor, it's also packed with nutrients, healthy fats, plant-based protein, calcium, and magnesium. It's been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, support liver and kidney function, and even help ease cramps. So when you use tahini in a chicken marinade, you're adding both incredible flavor and a touch of ancient wellness to your meal. This marinade is one of the easiest ways to bring tahini into your meals. I love serving it with my Mediterranean cucumber and red bean salad as a side. And now, saffron marinade. This final marinade is my personal favorite, and yes, it's a little more exotic and pricey, but I promise it's worth every penny. To prepare it properly, stop by your local Persian supermarket and buy a pack of premium hand-picked saffron. You'll also need a pestle and mortar. This one is special to me because my mom brought me this one to use only for saffron grinding. You need Greek yogurt, lime juice, extra virgin olive oil, half of a yellow onion, and 2 cloves of garlic, and salt and pepper. Here's how I steep my saffron. Place a pinch or 2 of saffron threads in a mortar and pestle with a little sugar or a sugar cube. Freeze the threads for 5 to 10 minutes before grinding. It helps them break down more easily. Once powdered, transfer to a bowl and pour in 5 to 6 tablespoons of boiling water. Cover and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll have liquid gold. Throw your onions and other ingredients into a bowl and pour in 3 to 4 tablespoons of saffron liquid and mix thoroughly. You can use the rest to make saffron rice or even saffron tea. And if you'd like me to share my family's recipe for Persian saffron rice, let me know in the comments down below. Saffron has proven to be nature's antidepressant, and in Persian households, saffron chicken kebab is a staple at family gatherings to celebrate and spend quality time filled with laughter and fun. On rainy, gloomy days, saffron always feels like a warm pick-me-up potion, and it connects me back to home and family traditions. So there you have it, 4 marinades that bring bold, comforting flavors into your everyday cooking. Which one are you most excited to try first? If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs new chicken ideas. I'll see you in the next one with more recipes that make healthy eating exciting again.